Hello everybody, I'm Nasir from Digital Core Network, and in this video you will learn about how to get fast search results in Google Chrome. So there are many ways to speed up Chrome, and here I will explain some of those ways step by step. So first way is to restore the Chrome into its default theme. For example, here I have applied this car theme which is slowing down my browser. So I want to just put Chrome into its default theme. So for that I will just go to settings, and from settings I will click add appearance, and then I will change theme from here. Just click add a button, reset to default, and it will set up your theme to its default, and which will increase the browser speed. So currently is default Google Chrome theme which I have applied. So next you can do is clear RAM by turning off unwanted tasks. For example, I have opened some windows or tabs, and now I will just click three dots at the top right corner, and then I will go to more tools and then task manager. And it's Chrome task manager, it's not PC, so it will only show the tasks which are currently running on Chrome. So from here you can click any task which you don't need anymore and click add the blue button, end process. It will just close the task and free up some RAM, which will increase the browser speed. And you can also end some other tasks which you don't need anymore. It is just an example. So next you can do is clear Google Chrome cache. So some images and files are cached by the browser automatically. So to clear the Google Chrome cache, I will just go to Chrome settings, and then from here I can find clear browser data. Just scroll a little bit down, and here you will find clear browser data. When you click, you will find here an option 24 hours and all time. Just select all times so that it can clear all cache, and you can click add clear data and it will clear all of your cache images and files from your computer, and it will also increase the speed of your Google Chrome browser. And then you can also do the next steps, which is uninstall or remove unwanted extensions. So to open the extensions, you can simply click at three dots and or you can open extension from this icon, but I'm going to open through three dots, more tools, extensions, and from here I can just disable any extension, or I can also enter address in the address bar to open this page. For example, here is email extractor extension. I have disabled this extension, so it will not remove any data occupied by this extension. And when I will need it, I will just turn on this extension and can get all of data occupied by email extractor. This is just an example, and if you wanna remove any extension, you can just click at the remove button and it will remove extension along with its data. Here is the remove button, and when you click it, it will remove extension as well as its data occupied by this extension. So next what you can do is update Google Chrome to the latest version. You can do so by two ways. Just write chrome:/help in the address bar, and it will open the help page, and from there it will automatically update your Google Chrome. As you can see here, my Chrome is already updated, but in your case it will take some time to update Google Chrome. So next step is close all those tabs which are not using. For example, you are working at one tab or browsing one website, but 10 other tabs are open. So just close those tabs using the cross icon. Here I have opened a few tabs, just an example. So you can just simply close that tab by clicking at the cross icon on that tab, or you can also press Ctrl+W to close the current tab. And moreover, next step is control tabs using some custom extensions. Sometimes you want to keep open some tabs to keep control of those while you are working on only one tab, and other tabs are just for a reminder. In that case, you can use tab rectangle, minimalist, or the great suspender. It will just close down all the tabs which you are not using after a fixed interval of time. It will either close the unused tabs while keeping their log open later, or make other tabs to sleep until you click on that page to appear. You can simply add to Chrome this extension and get benefit from it. So next step is turn on preload pages. To make browser and searching fast, you can turn on preload pages, and it will help you to make your browser open pages faster. To turn on pages, open Chrome and or click three dots at top right corner, and then click at privacy and security section, and from here cookies and other tools, and then you can here find preload pages faster, browsing and searching. So currently this extension is disabled at my browser, but you can simply click at the right side to enable this extension. This is just Chrome setting, it is not an extension. If you enable it, it will preload all of your pages and open those very fast. So next step is check for computer malware. For example, some viruses slow down your browser as well as your PC. So Chrome has an option to scan your computer and remove those malware or viruses. For that, go to settings and then click at advanced, and from here reset and clean up computer. And when you click at find, it will automatically find all the viruses on your computer and then delete them. And for example, if it will show the remove button at the end, then click at that to remove all of the viruses from your PC. It will also help you to speed up your Chrome. And last step is install some script blocking extension. For example, install some ad blocker, because some websites uses some scripts, for example to load ads, tracking scripts, video playing scripts and many other similar scripts. These scripts slow down the browser and it's very awkward. So I will just suggest to install some ad blocker. For example, here I am going to install uBlock Origin, which I have already installed, and it is very easy to use, and you can also whitelist some sites from this extension. To whitelist any site or its setting, just go to settings and you can do anything here. These are the few ways which you can follow to speed up your Chrome and get fast search results on your Google Chrome.